These Range Rovers might be one of, if not the coolest full-size SUV on the road currently. These things are absolutely loaded with features, and the design of these looks so good and classy. If you drive one of these, then you definitely have the coolest vehicles in the school pickup line. But it could always be cooler, and you know how to make these cooler? You change the finish of the exterior from gloss to satin. Now obviously that is just my opinion, but I think you will agree that this looks pretty awesome. We installed XPEL Stealth paint protection film on all the painted surfaces of this Range Rover. This PPF provides style and protection. It changes the finish from gloss to satin while protecting the paint beneath the film from rock chips, scratches, marring, etching, and pretty much whatever else comes with normal driving. And I'm sure you have seen how rough the roads have gotten here in the Nashville, Franklin, and Brentwood area. All of those semis, dump trucks, and heavy equipment vehicles are leaving gravel, building materials, and debris all over the roads. Unfortunately, your car is taking these objects to the paint every time it's on the road. It could be small pebbles that leave small defects that add up over time, or it could be large rocks that leave an instant noticeable defect. Either way, it's nerve-wracking and not something any of us want on our new nice vehicle. PPF solves all of that, and available in either gloss finish or a satin finish, and even completely different colors if you really want to change things up. Gloss PPF is great if you love the current color and finish of your car but want to protect it. Stealth PPF, which is what is being installed on this Range Rover, protects while changing the finish from gloss to satin. Color Change PPF protects while changing the color of the vehicle to whatever color or finish you choose. I think certain vehicles look amazing in the satin finish, the Range Rover being one of these. It just gives it such a sleek look. Regardless of what finish or color you'd like to go with, you need some level of protection on your vehicle here in the Nashville and Franklin, Tennessee area, because it's not worth the risk of permanently messing up your paint. Here at 86 Auto Lab, we have many different paint protection packages to fit exactly what you are looking for. So give us a call, text, or stop by our shop located right outside Nashville in Franklin, Tennessee, so we can go over some options with you and get your car, truck, or SUV protected so you never have to worry. Our phone number is 615-506-6286, and our address is 1552 Columbia Avenue, Building 3 in Franklin, Tennessee. We look forward to hearing from you.